Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Unbox Smooth, and today we will be unboxing the i500 TWS from PodsBay. The front looks identical to the actual AirPods box, even the back. However, on the sides you do not get the Apple AirPod logo or the AirPods with wireless charging logo. As I have opened the box, first of all we find a manual, and the manual is basically written in Chinese, English, and many other languages. It is pretty decent and it has all the information you need to use your AirPods. Let's keep that to the side and let's see what else we have in the box. And here are the i500 TWS's, and to be honest, they look really identical. However, I'll open the wrapping after we've checked what else we get in the box. And we get a lightning cable, just like AirPods or any other Apple device you get. It's pretty decent, it's pretty clean. And yeah, here are the i500 TWS's. They have wireless charging and they have the Apple writing behind them, just like normal AirPods. And while we open them, we do find a green light. That means they are pretty charged. There is writing under the case, inside the case, and there are sensors on both the AirPods. And these do not have the blue or green lights that you find in other AirPods clones. Is there writing under the AirPods? Yep, there is writing under the AirPods. And that's all we find in the box inside the case. And now I will be showing you how to connect these AirPods to your Android or your iOS. They connect to Android too. So we flip the case. We'll find a pop-up and it says not your AirPods. I have already connected these and renamed these. Hold the button in the back. And there we go. This has the H1 chip and you get different functions and features. I'll be showing you to them after these are connected. As you can see, the AirPods are connected and I renamed them to my name and the AirPods. However, if we go into the function settings, you get all these different functions as changing name, what you want to do with the double tap on left and right, automatic ear detection, and microphone. We get different functions: play, pause, next track, previous track, off. And these do not come into other clones. The i500s do have these. I have been using these for the past 30 minutes, and to be honest, the sound quality is amazing. They sound identical to the AirPods, they look like AirPods, and these are a reasonable buy as you get them for around $73. And I bought these from PodsBay. I'm not sponsored by them. And that's all I have for this review. Thank you for watching.